Find the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and drawn through the point of intersection of the line x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 and 3x plus y is equal to 0. हमें y एक्सिस के पैरेलल, ये y एक्सिस है और x एक्सिस है, y एक्सिस के पैरेलल समानांतर एक रेखा का समीकरण ज्ञात करना है जो इन दो रेखाओं के पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन से प्रतिच्छेद बिंदु से होकर के जाता है. x एक्सिस इज x एक्सिस, y डैश इज y axis. These are two given lines, line number 1, line number 2. Equation of given lines. X minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. And second line is 3x plus y is equal to 0. Solving these two equations, eliminating y, multiply equation 2 by 7 and adding these two. Adding 22x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to minus 5 upon 22. Put x equal to minus 5 by 22 in equation number 2. 3 into minus 5 by 22 plus y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 15 by 22. Thus, point of intersection is x coordinate is minus 5 by 22, y coordinate is 15 by 22. Equation of the line parallel to y axis is in the form x equal to a, where a is distance from y axis. This distance is a and it is equal to x coordinate of point of intersection, that is minus 5 by 22. Equation of line parallel to in the form x is equal to a, where a is a distance of the line from y axis. A is distance of the line from axis and it is also x coordinate of the point of intersection. Therefore, A is equal to minus 5 by 22. Putting this value of A in equation 3, we get the required equation of line. X is equal to minus 5 by 22 or 22x is equal to -5 or 22x plus 5 is equal to 0. It is answer. यहाँ हम देखते हैं कि x का वैल्यू का ही ज़रूरत पड़ा है, y कोऑर्डिनेट y की वैल्यू की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ा है। हम चाहें तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक अगर नहीं बनाएंगे तो फिर भी चलेगा। सेकेंड मेथड से भी इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। सेकेंड मेथड, इट इज़ फर्स्ट मेथड। सेकेंड मेथड के लिए इस प्रकार हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। एनी लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दिस टू लाइन्स इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ फर्स्ट इक्वेशन प्लस के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ सेकेंड इक्वेशन इक्वल टू 0. Since it is parallel to y-axis, therefore it is in the form of x equal to a. Therefore coefficient of y is equal to 0, and thus we will find the value of k and putting in the equation. Second method, continue. Second method, any line passing through the point of intersection of two given lines is left hand side of equation 1, x minus 7y plus 5 plus k left hand side of equation 2 where right hand side is 0, 3x plus y is equal to 0. Solve, simplifying we get थ्री के एक्स प्लस के वाई is equal to 0. Taking x का मान 1 plus 3k x, taking y का मान from this to k minus 7 plus 5 is equal to 0. Since it is parallel to y axis, therefore it is in the form x equal to a, means y term is absent, coefficient of y must be equal to 0. K minus 7 is equal to 0 or k is equal to 7. Putting this value of k in equation 4, equation 4 or this equation 1 plus 3 into 7, 1 plus 3 into 7 x plus 0 y plus 5 equal to 0. Or 3 into 7, 21 plus 1, 22 x, this is 0 plus 5 is equal to 0. Answer.